Officers in Venice, Florida didn't have to travel far for this DUI stop because the suspect parked her car right outside their own police headquarters, asleep behind the wheel, engine still running. And when officers tried to help, she decided to make things a whole lot worse.
Ma'am, just open the door for us. Right now we gotta talk to you, okay?
Your incident has been updated.
Get out of the car!
Out of the car!
Get out!
Out of the car!
On June 29, 2025, when Venice Police noticed a Toyota sedan idling in the parking lot of their own department. Inside, 69-year-old Julie Faith Cornwall, unconscious in the driver's seat, and several half-empty bottles of wine scattered across the interior. When officers knocked on the window, Cornwall refused to respond, rolling it down just enough to ignore commands.
We gotta check on you. Is everything all right?
What happened?
Possible signal on. She's not opening the door. There's wine bottles open.
Oh, well, I mean, we have a violation there by itself.
Yeah. Illegally parked in front of the PD.
Ma'am, what's going on? I can't hear you.
Well,
Ma'am, just open the door for us. Right now we gotta talk to you, okay? Other button.
okay, well, she can't just park here. If she doesn't want to identify herself, all right, then she's resisting.
Rental car, yeah.
Can you open the door?
Please? We can't hear anything you're saying. You gotta open the door to talk to us.
Should I put spike strips under there in case she tries to flee?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Three times 17, copy 1050.
So if you open the door and talk to us.
At least she can't drive away.
Got on readable tag. It's going to be a Ford F-150 white in color. I'm going to be in US 21 and Eagle Point Drive.
In the front of the car?
And we can't hear anything. We gotta figure out what's going on.
Anticipating she might flee, officers placed stop sticks in front of her tires. But seconds later, she hit the gas. What followed was a bizarre chase through downtown Venice as Cornwall drove on shredded tires, blowing through multiple red lights.
And if you don't cooperate, we're gonna have to break the window. So,
Your incident has been updated. 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 Your incident has been updated.
254 dispatch, that's signal 14 also. She's dragging the stop sticks under her car.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get ahead.
Your incident has been updated.
10-4. Eventually she'll hit the beach and it'll be a dead end.
Your incident has been updated.
West Venice Avenue and Harbor Drive. Signal 1 driver heading westbound.
Your incident has been updated.
254 dispatch. We are turning left onto Harbor Drive. Now heading southbound on Harbor Drive.
After several miles, Cornwall's vehicle finally rolled to a stop outside Venice City Hall. Officers moved in quickly, smashing a window to prevent her from taking off again. She was pulled safely from the car and detained on the spot. Bodycam footage shows officers calmly restraining the woman as she continued to resist commands.
Speeds are 15 miles an hour. Subject appears to be coming to a complete stop right outside City Hall.
10-4.
Your incident has been updated.
Out of the car.
Get out.
Out of the car. Out of the car.
I am not. You're not. Get out
Get
of the
out.
car. You don't have an option anymore.
Get out of the car.
Out of the car. Out of the car.
Out of the car.
Help me. We're not.
Nope.
We're not police.
Got her.
Yeah.
2-4 dispatch. I have one more.
Get some
Female
gloves.
1015. You want to search her in the front of my car?
Come right over here.
Got some gloves?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you hold it? You don't have an option anymore. Let go of the bag. Do you have anything on you?
Is the car off? Looks like it, right?
Want me to call for rescue?
We already did.
She bleeds from
2-4
the
Air 2. We're at 1074. She's 1015. Thank you for your assistance.
Get your Gubby. Listen, can you assign an SSO case number and then we'll be sending back up?
What this one? What this one? Yeah, I'll take it, I guess. Huh? You got her.
Get in the car.
Hurting my
You want me
You need to get in the car.
you want me to
I
throw her
can't
in?
get on because I don't have arms.
Ready? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You are Faith Cornwall. The real police wouldn't do that.
Ma'am, you listening to me? Make sure. Can you hear me? You're good? I'm going to ask you if you would like to perform field sobriety exercises, okay? Do you want to conduct field sobriety exercises?
I am not drinking and I am not under the influence of anything. I've never taken drugs in my life.
Would you like to conduct field sobriety exercises?
The real police are on their way.
All right, ma'am, I'm going to ask you one more time, and if you don't answer the question, I'm just going to take it as a refusal. Do you wish to perform field sobriety exercises
I will.
to confirm you want to?
Yeah, because I'm not under the influence of anything.
Maybe we should have her checked out by EMS first. Yeah, for sure.
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm not drinking.
Really?
Really. I had a little bit with dinner like at 5 o'clock in the evening. I am totally... You broke the tie?
Maybe they're going to park and just walk out.
I did nothing
Maybe
wrong.
they'll park and
Yeah,
walk
they
out.
probably just gonna go right back around Park and walk out.
I did nothing wrong. You have nothing against me except that you hurt my pipe.
Well, then
You pulled me out of there where the police asked me to stay.
Okay. You'll have,
I am sober.
Okay, I understand.
I have glass in my teeth. The behavior that you just exhibited is completely out of line.
Okay.
When
You'll
the-
be
when the-
able to discuss that further at a later time. Right now, let's just focus on what they have to do.
The real police are on.
Just
the
have a
way.
seat. Sit down nice and slow so you don't hurt yourself.
I just wanna make sure you're okay.
I promise you they're on the way. You're going to be in big trouble if you're still here. They told me to stay there. I'm not there on my own. That's why you're going to be in big They really are coming. You are going to be in trouble.
Need more to,
Let's say that
I think go in.
Okay. Now, for these yours? I wind up taking them off anyway. Brady, these are full of blood. I wouldn't touch them with your hands. I'm just going to leave them here for now. And it's a rental. Do they want their blood pressure thing or no? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the handcuffs off you. We're going to run through some standardized field sobriety exercises, okay?
I have no alcohol. Listen,
Okay. Good. Very good.
no alcohol,
Thank
no
you.
drugs. If I had drugs, I would be acting like a drug addict. I would be acting like I'm drugged.
Okay.
Like they did to my real
Okay.
car.
Like I said, I'm going to take these off for the purposes of... get the little booklet.
Police asked me to stay there. There's no way they would.
Okay.
And break my car.
All right, Julie. All right. All right, so I'm going to read you the instructions, all right? You're just going to do as I say, all right? If you have any questions, just ask. You're going to stand with your feet together and your arms down at your side, like this. Okay? Do not start to perform the test until I tell you to do so. Do you understand the instructions so far? All right. Do you wear glasses or contacts?
I wear reading glasses.
Okay. Now, for this exam, all right, my pen is going to be the stimulus, all right? What you're going to do is you're going to follow the stimulus with your eyes and your eyes only, all right? Look at the stimulus and follow with your eyes only and do not move your head. Keep looking at the stimulus until the test is over, okay?
Yes, to read it.
You understand?
Yes, to read the instructions off the thing.
I have to make sure I'm doing things right. All right, you're going to follow the stimulus with your eyes and your eyes only.
I think there's still glass in my wrist.
Now we're going to do the vertical, okay? You're going to follow the stimulus with your eyes and your eyes only. Same thing, all right?
You could have broken a major vein. And then you would definitely be in jail yourself, because I have done nothing wrong. And you're treating me like a criminal. And the real police are on the way.
All right. Now. Nope, don't start. I didn't tell you to start yet. All right. I'm going to explain it to you again. Do not start the test until I tell you to do so. You're going to place your left foot on the line and put your right heel to the toe of your left foot. All right, when I tell you to start, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, and you're going to turn and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back down the line from which you came, all right? It's going to look like this. Ready? No, I didn't tell you to start yet. Okay? It's going to look like this. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to take a series of small steps and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right? When you start to walk, don't stop until you've completed the test. Do you understand the instructions as I have read them so far?
Oh, yeah.
You understand?
I understand more than you think.
Very good. Okay, so whenever you're ready, you may begin.
There's a making dispatch, put me out with a white male, white female.
10-300 South Case Key.
We're 10-51.
Stop reading.
All right.
There's no alcohol at all.
You ready for this? It's the last exercise. We're going to do the one-legged stand, all right? You're going to stand with your feet together and your arms down at your side, like this, all right?
No, I'm 70.
Just like the other examinations. You're going to stand with your feet together and your arms at your side. Do not start the test until I tell you to do so. Do you understand the instructions so far?
No,
What don't you understand?
I didn't listen.
Okay, well, listen closely. I'll read it again. You're going to stand with your feet together and your arms down at your sides, like this, all right? Now you're going to keep both legs straight and your arms at your side. While holding that position, you're going to count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop.
I'll show you that you can do that. Just that.
All right, Julie, once again, you're going back on here. You were under arrest for DUI, okay, as well as fleeing to elude, resisting, as well as a plethora of other civil traffic infractions, okay?
Stop reading on us.
Yes, I live in the car.
Okay.
Everything that I
You can't have
have.
no
Great.
on your car.
It's this way.
That was not.
Excuse me? Okay.
1015.
So I've been told. Alright, feet in, seatbelts going on. Thank you for your cooperation.
Put a tow for him.
Alright, well, I think that's it. I'm just going to take, we took pictures of all the
20, that was 18.
Yeah. All the clothes are in the open one. Do you want me to just dump the open one out? Throw it out?
Yeah.
I took pictures of them all uploaded.
Yeah, as long as you got pictures, you can throw them out.
Your incident has been updated.
You need air conditioning, or are you alright?
Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated.
He's opening up the storage. I'm sober. I'm lucid. I'm almost 70. You get me where the police told me to stay, you're in really big trouble.
Alright, we're going to go inside the jail now.
You're in really big trouble.
Okay, we'll find out.
Yeah, you will.
I will. Can't wait.
He's got a thing on his side that says he's a
Cornwall was treated for minor injuries before being booked into the Sarasota County Jail. She now faces DUI, fleeing to elude law enforcement, and resisting an officer without violence. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but it's a reminder that even a short drive can turn into a dangerous chase when alcohol and poor judgment mix. Want more unbelievable police encounters? Subscribe to Bodycam 24/7 and never miss the next wild moment caught on Bodycam.